Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talk English, the place where learning English feels simple and friendly.
Hi, friends. I'm Ryan, and today we're talking about something very important for every learner.
Yes, today's topic is powerful: how to speak English without fear.
Let's begin and remove that fear together.
Ryan, many learners know English words and grammar, but when it's time to speak, they become quiet. Their heart beats fast, their mind goes blank, and they feel nervous. This fear stops them from speaking, even when they are ready.
That's true, Sofia. Fear is not about English. Fear is about making mistakes in front of people. Learners think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? These thoughts create hesitation.
Exactly. But here's the truth. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Babies fall many times before they can walk. In the same way, English learners must make mistakes before they can speak confidently.
I like that example. When you change your thinking about mistakes, you change your confidence. Instead of saying, I made a mistake, say, I am learning.
Very nice. The first step to speaking without fear is to accept mistakes as your teacher. Don't run away from them. Learn from them.
The second step is to start speaking in small sentences. Don't try to speak long, perfect sentences. Start with simple lines like, I think this is good, or I don't understand.
Yes, small sentences give you control. When sentences are short, your mind feels relaxed. You don't feel pressure to be perfect.
Another important tip is practice in private. Speak English when you are alone. Talk to yourself about your day, your plans, or what you see around you.
That's a great exercise. When you speak alone, there is no fear of judgment. You build confidence quietly.
Fear also comes when we compare ourselves to fluent speakers. We think, they speak so fast, I cannot speak like that. But remember, they were beginners once too.
Comparison steals confidence. Focus only on your progress. If you can speak better than last month, you are winning.
Another reason for fear is vocabulary. Learners think they need many difficult words, but simple English is powerful English.
Absolutely, you don't need fancy words. Clear and simple words are enough to communicate your ideas.
Let's talk about breathing. When you feel nervous, take a slow breath before speaking. This relaxes your body and your mind.
Yes, breathing is very helpful. A calm body helps you think clearly.
Also, smile when you speak. A smile changes your energy and reduces fear naturally.
I love that tip. Smiling makes you feel friendly and confident at the same time.
Another smart trick is to prepare some ready-made sentences. For example, that's interesting. Can you repeat, please? Or let me think.
These sentences give you time to think. They keep the conversation going while your brain prepares the next idea.
Fear becomes smaller when you speak regularly. If you avoid speaking, fear becomes bigger.
So true. Speaking is like exercise. The more you do it, the easier it becomes.
And remember, people are usually kind. They don't laugh at learners. Most people appreciate your effort to speak English.
Yes, and even if someone laughs, it's okay. Their laughter cannot stop your learning journey.
Confidence grows with action, not with thinking. Stop thinking too much and start speaking.
That's powerful. Action removes fear faster than anything else.
One more tip. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. You will notice improvement over time.
Recording helps you become your own teacher. You hear your mistakes and improve.
Finally, speak English every day, even for 5 minutes. Daily practice removes fear step by step.
Yes, consistency is the real secret. Small daily practice creates big confidence. Remember, fear is normal, but it should not stop you from speaking.
Start small, speak daily, and trust yourself.
Thanks for listening to Daily Talk English.
Keep speaking, keep learning, and see you in the next episode.